Hello darlings! For today's video, I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for July. This month's theme is Stay Golden. Let's take a look at what's inside. Inside the Glam Bag, we have the Brigeo Superfoods Moisture Hair Mask, First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Pores Be Gone Matte Primer, Hipdot Blush in Red Moon, Nomad Cosmetics Cartagena Magica Intense Eyeshadow, and the KVD Beauty Cake Pencil in the shade Trooper Black. Now let's open the Glam Bag Plus. Inside we have the Dr. Eve Ryouth Vitamin C Night Moisturizer, Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, Artist Couture Silky Lip Oil, Motd Cosmetics Gold Goddess Face Brush Set, and the Makiage Black Card Mascara. Along with the Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus this month, Ipsy also sent over a custom All Soleil Beach Sarong and the Refreshments Pillowy Shave Cream, which is so nice of them to do, and I'm really grateful for them sending me extra goodies this month. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's create a look with the products we received. First, I'm starting off with skincare and applying the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. There are 6 masks in this box, and they claim to visibly brighten, hydrate, and reduce puffiness while minimizing the appearance of fine lines and dark circles. These have won so many awards, so I'm really excited to try them out. I can honestly see immediate results, so I'm really happy. Alrighty, now I'm applying the Artist Couture Silky Lip Oil. It smells really good and fruity. And it's super hydrating too. Next up, we're priming with the First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer. I really like the consistency of this. It's super creamy. Immediately after applying it, I can tell that it's blurred my pores. Now that I've applied my base makeup and my complexion is looking smooth from that primer, I'm applying the Hipdot blush in the shade Red Moon to my cheeks. To apply it, I'm using the Get Cheeky With It brush from the Motd Gold Goddess Face Brush Set. The blush is actually so pigmented, a little goes a long way, and the brush is super soft, so I like it a lot. Moving on to the eyes, I'm applying the Nomad Cosmetics Cartagena Magica Intense Eyeshadow in the shade Eres Mundo. How cute is this sample size? It's so adorable. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Wow, it's so pretty and sparkly and definitely fitting for the Stay Golden theme this month. I'm just adding it to the front of the eye. It looks so beautiful on. Now let's try the Makiage Black Card Mascara. I did try looking this up on the brand's website, but I couldn't find anything, so this may be discontinued, or they might have changed the name because I did see one that was called Black Swan. The wand on this is pretty unique because it only has bristles on one side, but it's working pretty well to lift the lashes, honestly. Unfortunately, I am getting a bit of clumping with this mascara. Finally, I'm applying the KVD Beauty Cake Pencil in the shade Trooper Black. This is a waterproof eyeliner, and I'm using it to tightline underneath my lashes. This is one of the creamiest eyeliners I've ever used. It glides on so easy. Here's the finished look using products from both the Ipsy Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus for July. I was really impressed with this month's box because there was a great variety of products included, and I was able to create a makeup look pretty easily from what I received. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.